We are making a tasty sandwich, and the meat is cooked in the crock pot. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are slow cooking chicken and preparing our crock pot barbecue pulled chicken sandwich. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Spray crock pot with nonstick spray. Chop onion. Chop garlic too. Place half of the onions and half of the garlic into the slow cooker. Place chicken into crock pot too. Take a second to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other easy chicken recipes. If you want more of what we are cooking, subscribe below to know when we release new videos. Gather dried spices, paprika, salt, and pepper. Season chicken with the dried spices. Grab 1 1/4 cups of your favorite barbecue sauce and pour it over the chicken. Pour half a cup of beer over the chicken too. Combine. Add the remaining onions and garlic. Combine again and cover. Cook on low 8 to 10 hours, stirring chicken halfway through. What are some of your favorite dump and go recipes? List them in the comments section below the video. Once cooked, turn off crock pot and combine. Check the chicken to see if it's tender. Yep, very tender. Using a slotted spoon, transfer chicken into a large bowl. Shred chicken. Okay, I can't resist tasting a little. Tint chicken with oil. It's time to thicken the barbecue sauce. Over medium heat, spray a pot with nonstick spray. Pour in sauce from the crock pot. Reduce heat and simmer. Pour in remaining barbecue sauce. Whisk to combine. Simmer until thickened. 20 to 30 minutes. Whisk one final time and remove from heat. If you are new to our channel or just enjoy watching, make sure to like and share this video. Also subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Pour however much of the thickened sauce that you like over the chicken. Coat chicken with the sauce. To put sandwich together, toast buns. Layer pickles on the bottom bun. Followed by mixed salad greens and sliced tomatoes. Pack barbecue pulled chicken onto the sandwich. Before placing on the other half of toasted bun. Enjoy this sandwich. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.